Njengoba izifundazwe ezweni bezisingethe imicimbi ehlukene kuhalaliselwa abafundi abaphumelele ngamalengiso nje, leli kuphinde kwaba yithuba lokuthi iminyango yemfundo ezifundazweni ibhekisise imiphumela, ihlele namaqhinga ekusasa.
Bekuvunguza umoya wentokozo kuzo zonke izifundazwe namhlanje, abafundi bejabulela ukuphumelela uMatikuletsheni.
I want to make my mom proud. As I applied at Northwest University for teaching, I'm going there for teaching.
I felt so excited because this is what I've always hoped to gain in Matric. And I've made my mother proud. I know she's going to be proud of me.
Nakuba isifundazwe iFree State seziqoqade zonke emakhanda, kepha ke akukho noyedwa okwazile ukungena esigabeni sabafundi abangama-30 abahambe phambili kuzwe lonke.
Thank you very much, teachers that are here, principals, everybody that are really committed to make sure that we change the lives of our younger people.
Izifunda eziyisithupha eGauteng zibe yingxenye eziyishumi ebezihamba phambili ezweni lonke. Yize kunjalo owengamele ezimfundo kulesi sifundazwe uPanyaza Lisufi uthe uzothatha izinqumo ezinqala ukuze lesi sifundazwe sibuyele lapho besihlezi khona okuyindawo yokuqala.
We've got some schools in part of the Gauteng West. They've also dragged our results down. So we are going there. We are convening all the principals that have performed below 80%. In Gauteng, we can't perform below 80 and say I've done well. No. All the schools that have not done well, all the principals have been summoned to meet with us next week and they must account.
Abafundi bayijabulele imiphumela yabo.
I'd like to thank my parents for this opportunity. They took me to such an amazing school. Shout out Case Boys, Case Boy Army!
Shout out to everyone, my teachers!
Kule minyaka emithathu eyedlule isifundazwe iKwaZulu-Natal bese ngesinye sezifundazwe ezintathu ebezingenzi kahle. Kepha ke ngo-2019 senyuke ngo-5.5% isibalo sokuphasa kwabafundi abebenza ibanga leshumi.
The credit has to go to all the teachers because they did all the hard work. They made sure that they prepare us for very excellent on that. So I'm highly grateful for that.
Ingonyama uGoodwill Zwelithini ibahalalisele abafundi yacela ukuba bengakushayi indiva ukwenza izifundo zezolimo.
Agriculture has no limits. There is now both rural and urban agriculture. So you may know that lately the sector contributes less than 3% towards GDP in our country.
Abafundi abangaphumelelanga bacelwa ukuba baphinde babhalise futhi ukulungisa izitifiketi zabo zikaMatikuletsheni.